Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix pictures not sending on Android from Messages app. If you want to send a picture from your Messages app on Android, so let's see how you can do this. For this you must have to use Google Messages app. So after doing this you just have to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, and after that just select Messages app, and here you must have to select the person which you want to send the photo. You must have to make sure that the photo is appearing in Google Photos app. Sometimes it happens that your photo will appear in message but it's not in your Photos app. You must have to make sure this now open messages, and here select the person, then tap on add icon, and here select gallery. In gallery select the photo which you want to send, and here you just have to select add a caption which you want to add, and after that tap on send. And that's how you can easily send anyone's photo to Messages app. For this, you just need an internet connection which might be stable. So that's how you can easily fix picture not sending on Android from Messages app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.